Okay, hi, I'm Sarah. I am with Olivia and Aston. I'm sure Sam will be in shortly complaining I'm recording without her. We are going to make some smoothies. Now, not only are they are healthy, they are filling, they are really cheap. It does my 3 kids for afternoon tea, but it would also make like a really good breakfast smoothie to just make in advance, grab on the run. These are good for freezing as well. So let's get started. You need half a cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of milk. Now you can just put the rolled oats straight in here, you don't have to cook them first. I actually like to cook them up first because when you just put them in as is, even though I'm going to whiz it all up, it still gets a bit of a grainy sort of gristly texture to it. Yeah, I just think it gives it a lot nicer texture if you cook them first. So I just put half a cup of rolled oats in with 1 cup of milk, heat it up in the microwave. I did that this morning and I've just left it out to cool. So I'm just going to stick that in as is. But again, if you're not that organised, that's fine. Half a cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of milk. So
porridge!
Basically is porridge, yes. So half a cup of just the plain Pam's rolled oats. It comes to about 22 cents for half a cup. The milk, if you do what I do and just buy powdered milk and mix it up, it comes to 21 cents for a cup of milk. The banana at the moment bananas are about 30 cents each. So we've got decent sized banana. Next thing to put in, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I just use, the Pam stuff. It is the cheapest per 100 gram. So a tablespoon of this peanut butter is about 10 cents each, I figured out. So got about 20 cents worth of peanut butter in there. I was putting 3 tablespoons in, but I got complaints it was a bit too peanut buttery. We got these blackberries for free, so I'm not including the price of them in with this, but I just put a cup of them in. We scavenged them when they were plentiful, just growing wild around North Canterbury, and put them in ice cream containers and froze them. So I didn't quite get enough to warrant making jam, so I've just kept them frozen for like chucking and baking and muffins and stuff, and of course this. So just add a cup of whatever you've got, whether it be berries or Feijoas are in season at the moment. Maybe Feijoas would work, I'm not sure, but yeah, give it a go. So I'll let Olivia tip these in. You can help me whiz it.
Yeah, I'm not really interested in helping with the wax.
And then, just put, if you want to, you don't have to, but we like to put some ice in, don't we? Got to put maybe 5 or 6 chunks each. Wear it all out. It's called nature's rub. Yeah, thank you. Get a big blackberry blob on your chin. Got the colour of that.
Taste.
Go on, finger each. What do you reckon? See that finger, not it? Right.
Me dip blue.
You dip blue.
I dip green. Would you be willing to swap it for a blue?
Swap what? The yellow?
Yep.
There we go. No! Sam gets the blue.
That's more
Oh, look at that. Oh, what's the verdict?
delicious!
Is it yummy, is it?
Scrumptious.
One delicious, one scrumptious, and
Scrumptious.
too scrumptious.
Yum.
Let it be known you don't actually need a spoon. But these guys are just plonkers. It costs 93 cents for all of these. Now, normally I get these guys coming in the door after school. Mum, we're hungry. And of course, I refer them straight back to their lunch boxes. They'll finish whatever's in their lunch box. Mum, we're still hungry. Go have a piece of fruit. They have a piece of fruit. Mum, we're still hungry. Go have some cheese and crackers or something. Mum, can we have one more cracker? And this will carry on until dinner time. About an hour before dinner is like the cut-off. No, you may not have more food or you won't eat your dinner. They have one of these and they actually don't ask for anything else. So, the only question I want to know is, where's Mum's? But yeah, that is really cheap, yummy afternoon tea. It is really yummy. It would make a great breakfast smoothie. Hit the like button, hit subscribe if you're interested in these kind of videos, and yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know any more suggestions. Throw them at me. Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye. Cheers, dude.